Some people think that expensive equipment is the key to accuracy. While the proper equipment is important, the most critical contributor to successful archery is proper form. In this video, you will learn the steps required to shoot using the 11 steps to the 10-ring method. Why this method? Because proper form leads to consistent accuracy. "11 steps to the 10-ring. They are Step 1, stance and posture. Step 2, nock and arrow. Step 3, set hook. Step 4, set bow hand grip. Step 5, raise and extend the bow. Step 6, draw. Step 7, anchor. Step 8, aim. Step 9, release. Step 10, follow through. Step 11, relax and evaluate." Step 1, stance and posture. The first thing the archer does is straddle the line. That's put one foot on either side of the line, then square up his shoulders. Step 2, nock and arrow. So once the archer has straddled the line and pulls an arrow out from his bow, he clicks the nock, which is the back of the arrow, onto the string. Notice when he does that, he turns the feathers so that one of them, which is called the index feather, is on the outside. Step 3 is set hook. First, the archer needs a finger tab to protect his fingers from the force of the string. He places his middle finger on the opening and his fingers fall into place. Between this index finger and middle finger is a gap where the nock or the back of the arrow will fit. He curls his fingers around the string and he has set the hook. Step 4 is set bow hand grip. In this step, the archer makes his hand in a V and then cradles the riser, the center of the bow, in his hand and lightly grips the riser. Step 5, raise and extend bow. The archer simply raises his arm up, makes sure it's straight, and is ready to draw. Step 6 is draw. This is the point where the archer pulls the string back. Step 7 is anchor. Every time the archer pulls back the string, he stops at the corner of his mouth. This is his anchor point. And by pulling it back to the anchor point every time, he further ensures consistency. Step 8 is aim. At this point, the archer looks through the sight window and focuses on the target. Step 9, release. Once the archer has drawn the string back, anchored, he opens his fingers and lets the string go. Step 10, follow through. Once the archer releases the string, his hand falls back and the shot is complete. The final step, Step 11, is relax and evaluate. After completing the first 10 steps, the archer relaxes, evaluating his shot to determine whether any adjustments need to be made in the next shot. "11 steps to the 10-ring. Let's put it all together. Step 1, stance and posture. Step 2, nock and arrow. Step 3, set hook. Step 4, set bow hand grip. Step 5, raise and extend the bow. Step 6, draw. Step 7, anchor. Step 8, aim. Step 9, release. Step 10, follow through. And finally, Step 11, relax and evaluate. Now let's see it all together.